Hi guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here. It is the title character and the main antagonist in Stephen King's 1986 horror novel It. The character is an ancient, trans-dimensional evil entity which preys upon the children, and sometimes adults, of Derry, Maine, roughly every 27 years, using a variety of powers that include the ability to shapeshift, manipulate reality, and go unnoticed by adults. During the course of the story, it primarily appears in the form of Pennywise the dancing clown. This wonderful movie inspires us to make this amazing 3D layered paper cut. If you wonder how to make this one, keep watching guys. Here is all materials: color paper, 170 to 220 GSM, double-sided sticky foam tape, art knife. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. Take out carefully not to tear the piece of paper. Here's what we got after the cutting process. Cut the sticky foam tape into pieces to glue layers together. Finally, it's done. What do you think about this? Is this vicious and scary? If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, we're here to help.